Implementing NIS2 requires aligning IT strategy with strict cybersecurity, governance, and risk management requirements. These best practices will help your organization strengthen security, ensure compliance, and optimize resources. 1. Establish strong governance by forming a cross-functional NIS2 team that defines clear policies and sets accountability for risk and incident management. 2. Conduct a risk assessment to identify critical assets and vulnerabilities using threat intelligence platforms, SIM solutions, and other tools. 3. Create a detailed implementation plan in alignment with NIS2 requirements, defining timelines, assigning resources, and securing executive buy-in. 4. Adopt advanced security technologies like encryption, AI, IAM, and blockchain to strengthen your cyber resilience. 5. Develop an incident response plan featuring a tested process covering identification, containment, recovery, and post-incident review. 6. Build a culture of security awareness, reinforced by training simulations and cross-departmental collaboration. And 7. Engage external experts to assess gaps and fine-tune your security approach. To learn more about NIS2 implementation best practices, please visit kiteworks.com.